In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update mobile Steam app. Keeping Steam up to date makes sure you get the latest features, security fixes, and a smoother experience when you manage your library or use Steam Guard on the go. I'll walk you through the standard method on both iPhone and Android, and then show an Android-only alternative if you prefer installing the latest version directly. First, the simplest approach: updating through your device's App Store. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Use the search bar and type Steam. Then tap the official Steam app to open its store page. If a new update is available, you'll see an update button right there. Tap Update, and let your device download and install the latest version. If you only see Open, that means you're already on the most current release. Give the download a moment, especially if you're on mobile data. Using Wi-Fi is usually faster and more reliable. When it finishes, open Steam to confirm everything looks good, and you're done with the standard method. Now, for Android users who want the direct download option, you can install the newest version from the official Steam website. Open your preferred mobile browser and search for Steam Mobile. From the results, choose the official Steam link. On that page, you'll see a Google Play button, and just below it there's a hyperlink that lets you download the latest APK file directly. Tap that link to start the download. Stick to the official site to stay safe and ensure you're getting the authentic app. Once the APK finishes downloading, open the file from your browser's Downloads prompt or your device's Downloads app. Run the installer, and it will update your existing Steam installation without affecting your library or login. Your phone may ask you to confirm that you want to install this update. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to continue. After the installer completes, launch Steam to verify that everything is working and the new version is in place. That's all there is to it. Use the App Store or Google Play for the most seamless updates. And if you're on Android and need the latest version right away, the official APK is a solid alternative. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Steam app.